In today's fast paced restaurant environment, efficiency and accuracy are key to profitability. From managing orders and kitchen coordination to tracking inventory and handling online deliveries, your POS system plays a critical role in keeping operations smooth and customers satisfied. Revel Systems POS is built to handle all of this and more. Revel is a comprehensive iPad based point of sale system designed specifically for restaurants, cafes, bars, and hospitality businesses of all sizes. With its cloud based platform, real time analytics, and deep customization, Revel equips business owners and staff with everything they need to boost performance and improve service. In this video, we'll guide you through Revel's core features and how they help you run your restaurant with greater speed, control, and insight. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the menu management with modifiers and scheduling. Revel makes it easy for you to create a detailed, organized digital menu. Items can include descriptions, photos, prices, and multiple modifiers like toppings or dietary options. You can group items by category and set different pricing rules based on time. Menu changes sync instantly across your POS system, mobile devices, and customer facing displays. This improves order accuracy, supports upselling with modifiers, and keeps your menu dynamic without relying on printed updates. It also helps staff quickly find and select the right items, improving service speed. Another key feature is the table, order, and kitchen management. Revel provides a drag and drop floor plan feature for managing dine in operations. Servers can view available, occupied, or dirty tables and assign orders accordingly. Orders are routed to kitchen displays or printers by station, and tickets are color coded based on order time or status. Orders can be split, merged, or transferred between tables or servers. This ensures smooth front of house and kitchen coordination. You'll reduce miscommunication, lower ticket times, and deliver a better guest experience. Another key feature is the inventory and ingredient level tracking. You can track inventory in real time from supplier to plate. You can set up recipes so each item sold automatically deducts ingredients from your stock. You can add par levels, reorder alerts, and manage waste or returns. Inventory audits can be performed via mobile or back office, and detailed reports give insights into usage trends. This prevents over ordering or running out of key items. It helps reduce food waste, manage costs, and improve purchasing decisions with real time visibility. Another key feature is the employee management and scheduling tools. Revel allows you to create detailed employee profiles, assign roles and permissions, and track labor hours. Staff clock in and out through the POS, and shift scheduling tools help managers create rosters, manage breaks, and view labor performance. This reduces payroll errors, prevents unauthorized access, and ensures proper staffing during peak hours. You can monitor labor costs as a percentage of sales and improve productivity. Another key feature is the online ordering, delivery integration, and customer management. Revel integrates directly with third-party delivery platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates, as well as its own native online ordering system. All orders, whether dine-in, pick-up, or delivery, flow into a single dashboard. It helps increase repeat business and strengthens customer relationships with built-in CRM tools. So why is Revel Systems a great choice? Revel Systems is more than just a POS. It's a complete restaurant management solution. It combines modern hardware, powerful software, and real-time cloud access into one seamless ecosystem. For restaurant owners and managers, this means less time juggling systems and more time focusing on guest experience and business growth. Revel also shines when it comes to customization. You can tailor the POS to your restaurant's unique workflows, build custom reports, and integrate with tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or marketing platforms. Plus, their onboarding and training services help ensure a smooth transition for your entire team. So basically, managing a restaurant is a constant balancing act between speed, accuracy, customer service, and profitability. With Revel Systems POS, you gain full control over your entire operation, from orders and inventory to staffing and analytics, all in one powerful platform. By leveraging Revel's flexible, cloud-based tools, you'll reduce operational headaches, deliver better service, and build a more sustainable business model. Whether you're launching a new concept or upgrading your tech stack, Revel gives you the tools to grow confidently in 2025 and beyond. So start your setup today and discover how Revel can transform your restaurant operations from the ground up. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.